So I was sent these from INV Lashes to test and review. My first time trying lashes like this. These are the natural everydays. I'm using the Danessa Myricks Blooming Romance to line my lid. Nothing crazy. So I start by going for the 16 millimeter. Couldn't get it out for nothing. Tried it. Oh, yeah, dropped it. This is my first time doing this, so it was definitely a learning curve. But once I got the hang of it, it was those tweezers. So I just decided to ditch the tweezers and apply it with my fingers. And I found that to be a lot easier. On my second eye, I just went to a regular tweezer, and that was way easier. So I don't know why I didn't do that the first time, but I digress. So still applying, still applying. Oop, there we go. And I like how that one came out, and it looks pretty natural. I like how they form to my eye. It does look like lash extensions, so these are really cool. Just try to mesh it to my natural lash. So I did the next eye. It didn't come out as perfect as the first one, but I feel like on my next try it will be a lot better. So I'm just feeling them on my eye, seeing if they're bothering. They were a little pokey, but I had to get used to that feeling. But I do like them. And so this is me outside. It was kind of windy, so I was afraid that one of them might blow off, but it didn't. So happy with that. And this is me at the end of the day. They're still intact. They still look good. Nothing is hanging off. I feel light on my eye. I try to get as close as possible to see if they are detectable, but they're not. And yeah, I really enjoyed them. Next time, hopefully I'm faster with the application because now I know what to do. Thank you.